all your time waiting for that second chance, for a break that would make it okay. There's always some reason to feel not good enough, and it's hard at the end of the day. I need some distraction, oh, beautiful release. Memories seep from my veins. Let me be empty, oh, and weightless, and maybe I'll find some peace tonight in the arms of the angel. Fly away from here, from this dark, cold hotel room, and the endlessness that you fear. You are pulled from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of the angel. May you find some comfort here.
Hi, I'm Tasha McLaughlin. Will you be an angel for a helpless animal? Every day, innocent animals are left hungry for more bacon, and they're crying for help. This tragedy leads them down a path of self-destruction. Some turn to the streets creating misleading signs begging for more bacon. Unable to deal with the hunger for more bacon, some find themselves drowning their sorrows in alcohol. Won't you be an angel? For $19 a month, you could bring home the bacon for a helpless animal like Maximus. Your donation says, I'm here to help. Here at BFD, we are looking to make sure no dog is left wanting more bacon. Please call the number on your screen.
So tired of the straight line.